Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my another video session wherein we will see how to create the first flow using Power Automate Desktop. So before we start our session for the day, I request every one of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification icon so that you can receive all the latest updates and notifications that we keep posting on our YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let us start our session for the day. So this video will demonstrate how you can create your first desktop flow using Power Automate Desktop. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to open the Power Automate. So in order to open the Power Automate, there are two ways. Either you can click the shortcut icon which is present on the desktop, and then the second way to open Power Automate is to search in the search bar icon which is present just after the start button. So over here I will be clicking on this desktop shortcut icon which is present on the desktop. So once you click on this, the home screen will be appearing in this way. So there are two ways in which you can create your first desktop flow using Power Automate. So the first way of creating the desktop flow is to create on this new flow button which is present in the home tab. And then the second option to create your first desktop flow automation is go to my flow tabs and then click again on this new flow button. So over here we will go again to the home tab, and then over here I will be clicking on this new flow button. So over here you have to give, once you click on new flow button, the window will appear like this, that is build a flow. So over here you have to give the name to your flow, that is, so I will be giving as first desktop flow automation. And then once you define the name to your flow, then you have to click on the create button. So once you click on create button, the name will appear over here, and within some time this flow will open. So let us wait for the flow to open, which is currently saying as loading desktop flow. So now as you can see, the flow has been opened, and over here in the actions pane, in order to print the value or display the value, so you have to search in the search search the required action in order to print the value. So over here we will search for message box. So once you click on this message box, so over here the list of actions under message box action will appear over here. So from this we will be directly dragging and dropping the display message. So once you drag and drop the display message action, the properties window will appear where you have to define the properties against this display message action. So in the message box title, we will be giving the title as welcome, and in the message to display property, we will be writing the statement as hello, welcome to Power Automate Desktop Tutorials. So over here, once you define the message to display, the next thing that you have to do is to click on this save button. So but before we click the save button, the output of this message will be stored in a variable which is button pressed. So now we will be clicking on this save button. So once you click on the save button, the required set of actions will appear over here. So now that we have built our automation, so now let us run the automation in order to see whether the step that we have built is performing to our expectation or not. So now in order to run the automation, you have to click on this run button. So once you click on the run button, the flow will start to execute. So let us wait for the flow to start its execution, and As you can see, it has given or printed the value that is hello, welcome to Power Automate Desktop Tutorials. So in this way you can build your first desktop automation using Power Automate Desktop. So with that, we have come to the end of our video discussion wherein we saw how to create your first desktop flow automation using Power Automate Desktop. So if you have any queries regarding this video, then you can raise your queries in the comment section and I will be more than happy to answer all your queries. So before we wind up our session for the day, I request every one of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification icon so that you can receive all the latest updates and notifications that we keep posting on our YouTube channel. Thank you all and have a great day.